Hey everybody, Jeremy here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to teach you how to diagnose a vehicle leak. It can be a little unsettling to see a puddle under your vehicle, so our hope is to take the worry out of it by helping you figure out what it is. In many cases, we offer chemicals that can be added to systems to stop them from leaking. If you're not confident diagnosing the fluid under your vehicle, or if you have an extreme leak, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Every vehicle's manufacturer specifies the type of fluid you should add to each system, so consult your owner's manual before topping off any fluids. Here are a few of the leaks you might see. Coolant is also called antifreeze and can be green, orange, yellow, blue, greenish blue, pink, or red. You can verify the color of your coolant by checking the reservoir under your hood. A leak can be under the front of your vehicle. It's important to repair this leak as soon as you can. If your radiator loses too much coolant, your engine can overheat or even seize up and leave you stranded. Also, the sweet smell of coolant is appealing to pets and is highly toxic. Many coolants have bittering agents added to prevent ingestion, but it's best to clean up a leak before any pets get curious. A gas leak won't look much different than water, but as you might guess, it'll smell like fuel. Because a fuel leak can happen at the tank, the fuel line, or the fuel pump, it's possible to see leak gas anywhere under the length of the vehicle. It'll dry a lot faster than most liquids, so if you see it on the ground, it's probably very recent. Get a fuel leak taken care of as soon as possible to prevent the danger of fire or combustion. If you see a liquid that's light brown to black and feels greasy and slick between your fingers, it's probably engine oil. This is a leak you'd find under the front end of your vehicle. Check the dipstick that measures your oil level to see if you need to add back what's leaked. The level should always read between the minimum and maximum indicators on the dipstick. Take care of an oil leak as soon as possible to keep moving parts lubricated and prevent oil pressure issues. In most cars, a brake fluid leak is not common, but it is possible. You'd most likely see this leak near a wheel or at the master cylinder. Brake fluid will usually be a clear or yellow to brownish color and medium thickness. Because this fluid is what maintains the hydraulic pressure in your brake system, it's not safe to drive your vehicle if you suspect a leak. Have it towed to a shop for repairs to avoid the risk of brake failure. Automatic transmission fluid is an oily, reddish fluid, somewhere from pink to dark brown in color. A leak would appear under the front half in front-wheel drive vehicles or toward the middle of rear-wheel or all-wheel drive vehicles. This fluid serves as a lubricant and coolant in your transmission. If your transmission fluid gets low, the damage can be costly, so take care of this leak as soon as possible. A power steering fluid leak can look reddish to pink or yellowish to light brown. Since your vehicle steering system is toward the front, that's where you'd find the leak. If power steering fluid is leaking, hydraulic pressure will decrease and you'll find it more difficult to steer. You'll want to stop this leak before steering becomes difficult and dangerous. Windshield washer fluid is usually blue, but can also be purple, green, or orange. The reservoir and tubes are usually near the windshield in the engine compartment. If you find a leak, it's likely to be underneath that area. This leak won't affect the way your vehicle's running, but you'll want to fix it before heading out on a road trip so you can keep your windshield clean on the highway. Lastly, if you see a fresh puddle on a hot day after you've been running your air conditioner, don't worry. Condensation from your air conditioner is likely to leave a puddle of water under the front passenger side of your vehicle. And that's it. If you need any further advice or you're wondering about an additive to stop a leak, come by your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or visit O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.